Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at Yearn Finance, or YFI. YFI is currently at the $6,519 level. We are currently ranked at 236 with a market cap of about $217 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $30 million. And today we are going to be looking at the monthly open and what that basically means right here for Yearn Finance for this month. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So opening the month, we are down just about 4.8%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we have the chart right here for Yearn Finance, YFI versus the USD Theta. We want to start from the monthly time frame. Binance yesterday to us to see what we should be expecting right here for YFI, right? So we have closed the month. We closed the month of April quite bearish, and as you can see, we are opening the month of May quite bearish, showing that we should be expecting prices to touch this next support level at about $6,000 level, right? So flipping it just right here to the weekly time frame, we see it better. As you can see, we have just lost the support level right here, and we are coming back to retest this $6,000 level. So minimum we are expecting is to see prices back at the $6,000 level before we see any sort of bounce to the upside right here for YFI. The daily shows it all, right? That we have been consolidating, and we could see one more week into that $6,000 to $5,000 level before we see any sort of bounce right here for YFI, right? And if we just basically just look at the volume profile still shows that even though we are dumping, we are seeing some little bullish divergences, which means it could just be a week into that level, and then we could see another bounce going forward. So don't be distracted by this dump that is happening. This is very good, as this is showing massive bullish divergences on the daily, as we could just see a week into that 6,000 stroke 5,900, and then we could see a massive bounce going forward. So that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day ahead.